Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. 12th of September, Sunday morning on the Xpulse 200 today for a very particular reason. We are going to a particular workshop today, a particular type of a training session. It's conducted by ASAD Khan. I had seen a lot of his videos. He organizes rides, he does workshops, and for a matter of fact I checked out his Instagram profile after that, and he's also been into racing for quite some time, cars and bikes both, so he definitely looks like somebody who knows what he's doing. The reason why I thought this was required right now is because first of all we do have an off-road bike, and it was about time I started taking things to the next level. I didn't want to buy an off-road bike and go to office with it, so and I think it would be great to have a base, a blueprint to start with, and then take it further from there. I think this training is going to give me an idea about how the basics work, which would be a good starting point, and then based on my speed of learning and capabilities I can take it further to the next level and see what works for me, what doesn't, what is rights, what is wrongs, the best body positions, and obstacle handling. There's a lot of things involved, so it is going to be fun. If you're new here, my name is Srinivas. We normally do things like motorcycle related content, bike rides, product reviews, gear reviews, everything related to a motorcycle. And if you are into that kind of thing, do consider subscribing to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you there.
First is the right hander.
Right.
You start it along.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do now.
It's not too wide, it's not too far.
This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. Alright, we are going first.
Get on with it, easy.
Okay.
You make sure you're looking the other end.
Okay. Look forward.
Look forward, look the other end. Don't look at the ramp in between, you tend to lose out.
Correct.
Just look at the end.
Okay.
So go easy. Concentrate, one breath, skip, move only when you're ready. Take
Okay.
a deep breath, move only when you're ready.
Whoa. हाँ, इसको वहाँ डाल देते हैं, अभी बाद में देख लेंगे.
ओके
या आई एम गुड. मैं खड़ा हो गया जाके, गाड़ी गिरी सिर्फ.
ऐसा हो गया तो एक बार टर्न ऑफ एंड टर्न ऑन.
ओके.
कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू.
कुछ तो अजीब सी आवाज़ आ रही है अभी. पूरा हैंडल बार हिल रहा है, पर इसको तो ख़त्म करना है बेटा. I can hear the tire rubbing against something. यहाँ पे बेटा तो फंसेगा. Guarantee. Keep traction on the back. Okay, so we're gonna take on this trail one more time, or rather do one more lap, or maybe a couple of more laps of this. That's where I fell last time, so I really want to do it again. The handlebars were loose after that. There was the mud guard, something was wrong, it was touching the tire, so they just got that fixed and we are back on. I broke my mobile holder, that doesn't exist anymore, so yo. Let's do one more lap. I think I can do better. Oof. You okay? Yeah, I'm good. Oof. Yeah, side is. You good?
Maintain a bike length gap.
Right.
Okay, at least so much.
This much.
Maintain the gap. A one bike length.
Okay, we have another tire jazz there with mud this time. Let's kill this. Ooh. Off to you, mate.